Have you ever asked yourself a simple question? What makes you feel alive? This question is easy to say, but many people do not think about it. Many people wake up in the morning, go to work, come home, eat dinner, look at their phone, and then go to sleep. The next day is the same. Days pass. Weeks pass. Life moves very fast. But inside, some people feel tired or empty. They live, but they do not feel very alive. Feeling alive means more than just breathing and moving. It means you feel energy in your heart. It means you feel happy, excited, or interested in life. Sometimes this feeling comes from very small things. For some people, nature makes them feel alive. Imagine you walk outside early in the morning. The air is cool. The sky is blue. The sun begins to rise. You see trees, birds, and soft light in the sky. You take a deep breath. In that moment, you feel calm and peaceful. Your mind becomes quiet. You feel that the world is big and beautiful. Nature can help us remember that life is more than work and problems. For other people, trying something new makes them feel alive. Maybe they learn a new language. Maybe they visit a new place. Maybe they cook a new kind of food. At first, it can feel difficult. You may feel nervous, but you also feel excited. Your mind wakes up because everything is new. New experiences bring fresh energy to life. Some people feel alive when they make something. A person may sing a song and feel happy. Someone may draw a picture and feel peaceful. Another person may write a story or cook a meal. When people create something, they use their heart and their ideas. The result does not need to be perfect. The important thing is the feeling during the process. Creating something can make people feel proud and joyful. Many people also feel alive when they spend time with others. Humans need other humans. Talking with a good friend can make the heart warm. You may sit together and talk about life, dreams, or memories. Sometimes you laugh a lot. Sometimes you share your worries. When someone listens to you and understands you, you feel less alone. A simple smile, a kind message, or a hug from someone you love can change your whole day. The moments that make us feel alive are often very small. It can be the smell of coffee in the morning. It can be warm sunlight on your face. It can be your favorite song on the radio. It can be laughing with friends at a simple joke. These moments are not big or dramatic, but they bring joy to the heart. However, many people do not notice these moments. They are always busy. Their minds think about work, money, or problems. Some people think about the past and feel sad. Some people worry about the future. When the mind is always somewhere else, it cannot see the beauty of the present moment. But life happens now, not yesterday and not tomorrow. Children understand this very well. When children play, they are fully in the moment. They run, jump, and laugh. A small toy or a puddle of water can make them very happy. They are curious about everything. They look at insects, clouds, and flowers with wonder. Adults often forget this feeling because life becomes serious and busy. Feeling alive does not always mean feeling happy all the time. Sometimes people feel very alive when they face a challenge. Imagine a child learning to ride a bicycle. At first, the child falls many times. The child feels frustrated and maybe wants to stop. But the child tries again and again. One day, the child rides the bicycle without falling. The wind touches the face. The child moves forward with balance. In that moment, the child feels great joy. This joy is strong because it comes after many tries. Challenges help people grow. When we learn something new or solve a problem, we feel stronger. We see that we can do more than we thought. Helping other people can also make us feel alive. When we help someone, we feel that our life has meaning. Maybe you help a friend who feels sad. Maybe you teach a child how to read. Maybe you help an old person carry something heavy. These actions may be small, but they can bring warmth to the heart. Meaning is very important in life. If a person only repeats the same routine every day without meaning, life can feel heavy. But when we know that our actions help someone or make the world a little better, we feel more energy inside. Some people think they will feel alive only when something big happens. They think about big success, big travel, or big adventures. These things can be exciting, but they are not the only way to feel alive. Most of life is made of small daily moments. A quiet walk in the evening can be beautiful. A warm meal after a long day can feel wonderful. A message from a friend can bring a smile. A peaceful moment before sleep can calm the mind. When we slow down and look carefully, we see that life already has many good things. Curiosity is another important part of feeling alive. Curiosity means wanting to learn and understand. Curious people ask questions. They want to know why things happen and how the world works. When people are curious, life becomes interesting again. Without curiosity, life can feel boring. Everything looks the same every day. But curiosity brings color back to the world. Even simple things can become exciting when we look at them with new eyes. Gratitude can also help people feel more alive. Gratitude means saying thank you for the good things in life. Many people only look at what they do not have. They compare their life with other people and feel unhappy. But when we stop and look around, we can see many things to appreciate. Maybe we have food to eat. Maybe we have a safe place to sleep. Maybe we have friends or family who care about us. When we notice these things, our hearts feel lighter. Some people think they will start living fully after they reach a big goal. They say, "I will feel happy when I get a better job." Or, "I will feel alive when I become successful." Goals are important, but life is not only about the future. Life is also the journey that happens every day. If we wait only for big success, we may miss many beautiful moments along the way. Feeling alive often comes when we are present, curious, and connected with people around us. It comes when we notice the small joys in daily life. It is also important to listen to your heart. Ask yourself simple questions. What activities make me feel happy? What makes me forget about time? What gives me energy? The answers are different for every person. One person may feel alive when dancing. Another person may feel alive when reading books. Someone else may feel alive when walking in nature or listening to music. There is no single answer for everyone. Many people are afraid to try what they truly want. They worry about making mistakes. They worry about what other people think. Because of this fear, they stay in the same routine even if they are not happy. Fear is normal. Every person feels fear sometimes. But many good experiences are waiting on the other side of fear. When we try something new, we may feel nervous, but we also feel excited. That excitement is a sign of life. Movement can also make people feel alive. Our bodies need movement. Walking, stretching, dancing, or playing sports can bring fresh energy to the body. After moving, many people feel happier and more relaxed. Music can also wake up strong feelings. Sometimes a song can make you smile or remember an old memory. Music can touch the heart in a special way. It reminds us of people, places, and times that are important to us. At the end of the day, feeling alive is not something someone else can give you. It is something you discover in your own life. It appears in small moments. It appears in connection with others. It appears when you are curious about the world. It appears when you notice the beauty of simple things. So maybe the real question is not only what makes you feel alive. Maybe the real question is this: are you paying attention to the moments that already bring life into your day? Because many times, the feeling of being alive is already here. We just need to slow down and notice it.